All right, guys, so I got a couple videos on this compressor, but what I want to cover in this video is this hose leading to this car muffler. It's known fact that the intake of any compressor is probably the loudest part of it running. Okay, so the idea here is to channel the air through here and kill some of that noise. Now they sell intake silencers for compressors. There's a company called Solberg, and the reason I didn't go with them is because their muffler, it's a long tube, is like $100 for a 1-inch intake like I have here. The smaller ones are like 20 bucks, for the 1/2 inch, and those are for really small compressors. But I think to go with them and properly set it up, it'd be well over $100. I have about 50 bucks in this setup here. I paid 20 bucks for this hose for 4 feet, which is way too much. Over here, this is nothing more than a Thrush turbo style muffler I got on Amazon for $45. No, I'm sorry, 30 bucks. This is a Fernco plumbing adapter. Okay, this is a 2.5 inch muffler. The OD is 2 5/8. This is for 2-inch PVC, which is like 2 3/8. So this can just stretch right over. I got a spigot, hose barb adapter, and that's it. I mean, literally 50 bucks in this setup, and it kills about 3 decibels. And for every 3 decibel reduction, that means there is a 50% reduction in the sound. Okay, it's a log scale. Missed that day in math class, but anyway, 3 decibels reduced equals 50% noise reduction or volume reduction. So I don't know how well the camera is going to pick this up. I don't know how well the phone app is going to work, but I will tell you that it does make a difference, and I'm happy I did this. About 72 decibels. About 75 decibels, so 3 decibel reduction. Alright, that's it for this video. Make sure to hit that like button and share this with your riding buddies. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified right away when new videos come out. If you'd like to support me in creating more videos, such as this one, check out my Patreon page and see if you can help me out. You can also buy me an ice cold beer or two by clicking on the link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.